In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Canva and link it to Google Forms. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you end with a polished, functional landing page that seamlessly directs your audience to a Google form. First, head over to canva.com, and if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, look for the search bar right at the top of the page. This is where you'll type in landing page. You'll see a variety of templates displayed. What you want to do next is click on Search for Landing Page. You'll notice plenty of free templates that you can choose from. Pick the one that best suits your project's theme or style. Remember, a compelling design is crucial for keeping your audience engaged. After selecting your template, it's time to personalize it. Click on Customize this template. This will open up a workspace where you can modify the design elements to better align with your brand or message. Let's start by enhancing the hero section. Add a catchy headline, a sub-headline, and a robust call to action button, also known as a CTA. This is your first opportunity to make an impression, so make sure it's strong and clear. Next, consider adding an about or offer section that succinctly explains your product, service, or event. Make it informative yet engaging. If you have testimonials or any form of social proof, consider integrating them into your design. While optional, these elements can be vital in fostering trust and credibility. Now let's focus on the CTA section. Strategically place a button that will direct users to your Google form or any other destination you have in store. Click on the button to dive into the customization features. Here, you can adjust its size and position by dragging its edges to make it noticeably appealing and easy to click. Moving on, we need to set up your Google form. Open Google Forms and opt for a blank template to start from scratch. Design the form to gather the data you need. Once you've set it up to your satisfaction, click on Publish. Doing so will reveal a link icon. Click it to copy the form's URL. With the form link in hand, head back to Canva, go to your CTA button, and paste this link into the designated URL field. This step is crucial as it ties your landing page and form together, creating a seamless user experience. And there you have it. A beautifully designed landing page linked to a functionally strategic Google form. This setup not only captures your audience's attention, but also drives them towards taking action. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to review your design, ensuring everything links properly and presents your content professionally. Happy creating!